Hi folks, Rick here. And guess what question I get this time of the year? We're in November. Okay, we are almost halfway through the fourth quarter. Rick, can I achieve my goal next year? Or my favorite is, can I do it again next year, by top producers? I'm always like, do you still remember how to prospect? Do you still remember how to talk to people? Are you still going to follow a schedule? Of course you're going to achieve your goal next year. The question isn't whether can you, the question is will you, because there's a mathematical formula that goes along with it. Right? Okay, so the first thing I want, do I have what it takes? Yes, you do. If you have a real estate license and you can fog a mirror, you have what it takes. Okay, especially if you're with our company and you have a great name brand and all the tools we have. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is it really starts with a tremendous morning routine. Get up early. Okay, I can remember when I worked at the Mike Ferry organization. Before I worked there, I was a panelist before I even became a coach at that company. And people used to ask me all the time, what's a perfect day for you in real estate sales? I always answered it this way. If I get up early and do my workout, then I carry that workout energy into my prospecting, because I'm a salesperson, got to talk to people. The rest of the day's a breeze. So you got to have a killer morning routine. And I'm not talking about just going to the gym. I'm talking about going to the gym and be wearing headphones or earbuds, listening to good audiobooks, okay? I just listened to a book, just finished it today, called The 5 Elements of Effective Thinking. Wow, that's a great book, okay? They're all great books. There's a whole bunch of great books. Pick something, do something positive for your body, do something positive for your mind. You'll carry it through the rest of the day. And that's the other part too. If you do your prospecting first, the rest of the day takes care of itself because you just go in order of priority after you finish your proactive activities. It's not that complicated. It's really a very simple business. And the last point of today is you got to know your numbers. Every business that is successful knows their numbers. You're a business. You're a walking, talking business, a solo entrepreneur in business for yourself, but not by yourself with this company. Okay? So you got to keep track and know your numbers. Make 2019 lean, mean, money-making machine. It's the last year I can say that because next year it's 220. All right. Thanks for your time. We'll talk soon.